Starting hearing good things about Boone Lake since I got it fixed. See if it holds any monsters. I went and got me some Fat Rooster planer boards. Ain't tried them out yet. That's what I'm about to. Out here dragging planer boards. No fish yet, but this is a first for me. Oh goodness. I caught somebody's old ancient fishing pole with there's a rope attached. Wonder what this rope is. I lost an anchor here like forever ago. If this is my anchor, this would be pretty cool. I don't think it is, but it's a homemade anchor. Just FYI, if this is mine, don't think it is. But that's an old one here too. Let's see. Yeah, I hooked into this dragon planer boards. This has to be. I don't think this is mine, but hold on, let me pull this in. Something. Oh, it ain't my anchor, but it's an anchor. Well, just got a free 20-pound anchor. Planer boards are already paying for themselves. Oh, and a free fishing pole. Can't beat that. Not what I wanted to catch today, but there we go. Now, let's try to catch some fish. Well, still no fish yet. But these homemade dragon sinkers turned out pretty good. The only time I got hung up was when I caught the fishing pole and the anchor. Here comes a bass boat to ruin my day. All this water out here.